In today's video, I'm going to teach you how parent-child relationships work in HubSpot. If you manage multiple related companies in your CRM, this feature is really helpful for keeping records organized and making it easier to understand how businesses are connected. A parent company is typically the main organization, while a child company is a subsidiary branch or related business underneath it. In HubSpot, linking these relationships gives you a clearer picture of company structure without needing to create duplicate or confusing records. To get started, go to your HubSpot account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, head to the CRM menu, then click on Companies. This will take you to your company records, where you can view and manage the businesses stored in your account. Once you're in the companies area, open the company record you want to update. On the right-hand side of the record, look for the Related Companies section. This is where HubSpot lets you define the relationship between one company and another. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the side panel carefully, since that's where these associations are managed. When you find the Related Companies section, click either Add Parent Company or Add Child Company, depending on the relationship you want to create. Choose Add Parent Company if the record you're viewing belongs under a larger organization. Choose Add Child Company if the record you're viewing is the main company and you want to connect a smaller or related business beneath it. Picking the correct option is important because it determines how the relationship is displayed inside HubSpot. After that, use the search field to find the company you want to connect. You can search by company name or by domain, which is especially useful if several companies have similar names. Once the correct company appears, select it, then click Save or Done to confirm the relationship. At that point, the companies will be linked and HubSpot will show that association within the record. This makes it easier for your team to understand account structures, navigate between related businesses, and keep data more organized over time. As a quick tip, before saving, double check that you're connecting the correct records and assigning the right direction, parent or child. A small mistake there can make reporting and record management more confusing later on. That's how to set up and understand parent-child relationships in HubSpot. Once you start using this consistently, your company data becomes much easier to manage and much more useful for your team.